So today I will show you how to edit an image using free software. So this is the image, and as you can see, the background has some blemishes. Also, the image is not clear. So I'm going to remove these blemishes and edit this image. So I'm going to click edit, and it will use Pixelcut photo editor. So I can rotate this image, and also I can flip horizontally or vertically. And now if you want to crop this image, you can crop freeform like this, or you can click here to crop as you preferred. Like I want to make this as wallpaper, so I'm going to go with 16 this aspect ratio. So let's do some adjustment. I'm going to increase the brightness a little bit, and I'm going to decrease the exposure and also decrease the contrast, and I'm going to improve the highlight and improve the shadow. Next, I don't want vignette. Now I can adjust the saturation little bit, and I'm going to give a cool tone. So I'm going to remove this, use negative value like this, and next I can go on next step, and you can see there are few options. I can click here, or I can keep the original. So I'm happy with this original image. So next we have markup. I'm not going to use this. So next we have this Generative Erase, and I'm going to use this. As you can see, it did a pretty good job, so I'm really happy with this. Like this one, and this one. So it is so much perfect. Now I'm going to save this as copy. So it will save this as a copy. I'm going to save this as girl2 and click save. So now let's edit the image again. We can remove the background using this tab. So as you can see, it has removed, and if you click on this transparent, it is not good, but it is almost perfect. We can also blur the background like this one, and now we can replace the background color with one color. And let me show this. So I'm going to go with this kind of color. It's good. So this is how you can change the background. And now click cancel, because I don't wanna save this. So I hope you have understand how to edit photo in Microsoft Photo Editor. So this is our image, and I'm going to enhance this image and make it clear. So to do this, I'm going to copy the location, or I'm going to go with this Pixelcut AI upscaler, and I'm going to upload the image from desktop to, and it will make our image more sharper. So that's before, that's after. You can see this makes a little bit different, but so little bit the resolution it gave me is good. Okay, so now I'm going to click on download, and it will automatically download the image. So next I'm going to show you how to uncrop this image. Uncrop any image. What did I mean with that? What I mean by that? Actually, if you want this image to be your wallpaper, you can't use that. Let me show you. I'm going to set this as wallpaper, and this is how the image looks. So I don't wanna do that, so I'm going to use uncrop function. Also from this website, I'm going to upload this image, and I'm going to use 16 in and this aspect ratio, and I'm going to use generate, and it will fill the blank area from this side and also this side. So as you can see, it's generate the image for us, and you can download the image perfectly. Next, I'm going to show you another example. I'm going to use this, and again we have to click this and click generate. And in the meantime, we can go to our download folder, and we can pick the image, and we can set this as background. So as you can see, this is our background, and this is how the image look using generative uncrop. So if you don't like this image, you can click generate again to generate new image. So it will take a few seconds. So this is new generative image. I don't like that, so I'm going to click generate. It is generate again. This time it gave me this. I don't want this. It makes the girl like FA. Okay. So I'm going to click generate again. So I really like this image, so I'm going to click download and I'm going to open the image and I'm going to set this as background. So this is how you can use AI to edit your image. So I hope you like this video. If you want to use this, we can edit. I want to show another option how you can remove background using paint. So I'm going to right click on this image and I'm going to click edit with paint and I can click open the image, and if you click here then you will see the background eraser option available in paint as well. So this is really a good feature. Microsoft gradually moving toward AI. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.